Millions of people in United States hunkered down against a deep freeze Sunday morning to ride out the frigid storm that affected more than half of the country. Powerful winds have led to the huge waves along the Lake Erie shoreline. The Hoover Beach area is among the hardest hit area and has seen wind damage from storms for generations. Meteorologists were forecasting waves up to 20 feet along the eastern end of the Lake Erie and a storm surge of about 11 feet, which would be record-setting. At least 28,000 customers in Erie County, home to Buffalo, were without electricity as of Sunday morning. Thanks for watching.